Hello, my name is Emilio Cerra. We're at Oxomoco in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. I'm making a grilled carrot tostada. We have our tostada here, which is a fried tortilla. I'm going to spread a grilled parsnip puree that we finished with coconut yogurt along the base. This both adds moisture, obviously flavor, and then acts a little bit as a glue when building it. And then we'll use a little bit of this on the plate itself to hold the tostada when we send it out to the dining room. Next, we'll put one of our carrot preparations here. So this is our braised carrots that we grill first, and then we take the braising liquid and make a glaze with it. It's followed by carrots that are blanched slightly and then marinated in our chili vinegar. Our carrot habañero salsa. A little bit of mint. And we take shaved carrots that we dress slightly with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and lime juice. Instead of juicing limes, we always keep our limes in little segments, or I should say wheels, we call them, squeezers, just so it's as fresh as possible. And then finish, we have a little bit of dill. And it goes on the plate with a little bit of the puree to hold it in place. Here you have our grilled carrot tostada.